Hi everybody, this is Patrick from Doggy Dashboard, and today I'm going to show you how to clean up your family veterinary clinic drop-down list. So when we go to create a new client in Doggy Dashboard right here, you'll see that there is this family veterinary clinic option, and there's a drop-down menu. When we click on that, you'll see a bunch of different veterinarians listed. These are all the different vets that are in your database at this time. Doggy Dashboard goes through all the different clients in your database and it selects all the unique veterinarian clinics. So you can see here we have one that says Ann Blake, one that says Ann Blake Vet Center, one that says Ann Blake Vet Center with a phone number, and then one that says Ann Blake Vet Stuff. So this means that we have clients in our database that have one of these as their vet. And what we want to do is clean up this list so that there's just one of the Ann Blake Vet Centers listed. So what we're going to do first is go to our view and go down to the business reports. Then we're going to scroll down to the owner specific reports right here. And there's one that's called Family Vet Clinic Report. We click on that, and this is going to create a report that shows us all the different vets that we have in our system, as well as the clients that have that vet listed. So we click on that report, and here you can see the list of the vets. So we can see that our client Leslie Fisher and the client Hector Sanchez, they're both using the vet Ann Blake as their vet, whereas Hubery Humphrey is using Ann Blake Vet Center, Bill Bradley has this version of Ann Blake, and then Betty Flores is using this version. So what we want to do is make everyone on the same version right here. So what we're going to do is find Leslie Fisher and update her vet report, vet name to be this right here. So we go back to Doggy Dashboard, click on the home page, and so now we're going to go here and search for Fisher. There's Leslie Fisher. We're going to visit her profile, and we're going to edit the info. And here is the Ann Blake that we saw. We're going to click here, and we're going to change it to the Ann Blake Vet Center with the phone number, and we're going to update that. And now her family vet clinic is now the correct one. So then we're going to go back to the client database. The next one we want to change is Hector Sanchez. So we go to Hector Sanchez. We'll write Hector here. There's Hector Sanchez. We're going to edit his info. And we're going to go to the Ann Blake, select the correct Ann Blake one, update the customer. Now we're going to go to Hubery Humphrey. So we'll go back to the database. We'll type in Humphrey. There he is. We're going to edit the info. And we're going to change this to Ann Blake Vet Center again. Update that. Now we go back to the database. And now Bill Bradley is using the correct one. And so the last one is Betty Flores right here. We're going to go to Betty Flores, find her profile. We're going to edit her info. And we're going to go to Ann Blake Vet Center. And now you can see in the drop-down list here, all the other Ann Blake ones have disappeared because now they're all being saved using the same name. So once we update this one, now all the vets have been kind of combined into the same name. So if we go to a new client, here, when we go to the drop-down menu, you'll see there's only one Ann Blake Vet Center now. All the other versions of Ann Blake Vet Center have been removed, and so now we just have the one we want to use, and now they're all going to be using the exact same one. This can also work when you use the new client registration form. If we click here, you can see that we have a new client registration, and this person used the Ann Blake's Clinic on Dove. Now we recognize that as the Ann Blake Vet Clinic, so we're going to go to Show Vet List here. And there you can see our list of all the different vet clinics we have in our system. And there we have the one we want to use right there. So we'll just copy that, go here, paste it there. And now when we save Florence Nightingale and her pet Scooter in our database, you'll see that Florence's family vet clinic is the Ann Blake Vet Center 555-444-3333. So that is how you clean up the drop-down list of the family vet clinics. Hopefully that was helpful. Thank you very much and have a great afternoon.